More breaking inputs coming in and more names, in fact, that are coming to fore. Times Now has accessed more names of individuals who are getting the cabinet call, and it's Nityanand Rai along with Mansukh Mandaviya who have received the cabinet call. They are also going to be inducted into the cabinet. That's what the call means. They will now be reaching the Prime Minister's residence, where the Prime Minister is going to host these MPs, the newly inducted, some of them retained as well. Pragya is getting us more details. Pragya, Nityanand Rai and Mansukh Mandaviya have been called as well.
So these are the ministers that have been, looks like for now that they are being retained in Modi government 3.0. Nityanand Rai was MOS home, obviously very close to Mr. Amit Shah, and obviously we need to understand that their election.
Interrupt you, Mohit, but speaking to Mr. Ramdas Athavale.
माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मुझे तो तीसरी बार मौका दिया है, इसलिए मैं उनका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं और मैं दलित समाज की सेवा करता रहूंगा। और जो भी मतलब हमारे इंडिया का डेवलपमेंट का प्रोग्राम है, प्लान है, उसको मैं लोगों के सामने रखता जाऊंगा और इसीलिए मुझे और मेरे समाज को बहुत बड़ा आनंद है, बहुत बड़ी खुशी है।
रामदास जी, आप जो है अपने चिर परिचित अंदाज के लिए जाने जाते हैं, आज के लिए कोई कविता आपने बनाई है, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे टाइम्स नाउ के दर्शकों के लिए कि आपको आज कॉल आया है, आप मंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं?
मैं इतना ही बताना चाहता हूं कि राहुल गांधी और इंडिया आघाड़ी को बहुत बड़ा हो गया है धोखा। राहुल गांधी और इंडिया आघाड़ी को बहुत बड़ा हो गया है धोखा, इसीलिए नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मुझे दे दिया है मंत्री पद का मौका।
So there you heard Ramdas Athavale in his traditional style has come out with a poem, and he basically said that he's happy and he will continue working with the NDA government. He was a MOS social justice, and now again he has been called to become the minister, and his traditional way he has also recited a poem hitting out at Rahul Gandhi and the opposition. Back to you.
Very interesting reaction coming in from Mr. Athavale. Mohit, thank you for getting that reaction. For the moment, we're taking a very short break. Our reporters will continue to be with us and get us the latest.